Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. This is Inspired by Sally. In this channel, we do motivational cleaning and cooking and just random vlogs. And if you're an OG to this channel, thank you so much for coming back. And I really appreciate you guys. And today's video, like you can see, it's about cooking. We are cooking some mushroom soup, and yeah, and all the ingredients, I'll list them up, and I hope you guys stick to the end and enjoy this video. Like you can see, our soup is ready, smelling all delicious. Normally you can eat it with baguette, Or if you don't have baguette at home, then you can also eat it with bread. I'm just going to show you some simple way of roasting your bread with garlic, and it tastes so lovely with the soup. You'll enjoy this process, guys. And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I hope you guys like this video. Leave me a comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. So see you next time, guys. Bye.